Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff here from Forex Trading for Beginners. I hope you're all well this weekend. Today, I'm very fortunate to have a good friend of mine and trading buddy, Demo. Would you like to say hello, Demo?
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon to you all. Good morning, wherever you are.
And we're just looking at a few of amazing harmonic scans. I want to show you one that's a little bit different to Paul's been teaching, a little bit more like what David's teaching in the 4-hour time frame. This one is really quite interesting. Yeah, for many reasons. Yeah, but you can see it was there in a consolidation phase. Obviously, the 4-hour appears different. I want to show you how easily you can set your pitchfork up with this. And then what we'll do is I'll just go to pitchfork there, put it on the X, put it on the C, and I put it on the D. And our target is to hit that midline. Guess what? Boom. And again, and again. You can't make that stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. How good is that? This is called harmonic pitchfork. So this is stuff Paul's teaching. But what he does it on the 1 hour, going down to the 15 minutes. So I'm just going to quickly get this, take it from the 4-hour. First thing to do is I set this to my time. Like, for example, if I'm in London, I'll just put that to London. And I look for that time day there and that day there. So I'll make sure mine's not on Perth in Australia, but mine is actually in testing out different time frames, parts of the world. Where's London, ladies and gentlemen? Here we go. So what I'm going to do is, one of the ways I do it is I just do that and I say 26th of January at 10 o'clock in the morning. So I get a little trend line. And I just find the 26th of January, right there. See that there? I should do that. It's amazing, actually. And then the 1st of February, 0200, I get a little trend line. I'm going to double check that one again. That looks like that wick that was there, the 1st of February, 0200. That's that wick there. Right there. I don't know what that line is there for a minute. I'll just delete that. Yeah, that wick right there. And that one down there. It's the 1st of February at 2200. Remember, this is all GMT, 1st of February, 2200. Right there. That's it. So to get the pitchforks there, C to D, I just go over here, find a little pitchfork. There's one there. And I draw the line there, from there to there. How easy was that, ladies and gentlemen? And then what I do, I just tidy up, move these. I would come down to a time frame. So down to the 15-minute or whatever time frame you're doing it. We'd lock that in place there. That is it on a very basic level. Now, because Paul's covering it all this week, I don't want to cover stuff that he's already covered. But I just wanted a little reminder for you at the weekend. Right there. And then what you do is there's this thing called here, it's like a padlock. You padlock that in right there. Done. How easy is that? And you would have then went down to a lower time frame and did it as I suggested. Paul's been doing it on the 15-minute. Would adjust these slightly because of the time frame difference. In fact, let's do that just now, actually, just to show you how easily that is to do. Let's move that there. Back up there. Also delete that there. Then, well, I don't know whether you've used this before, those little trend lines, but I found it when I first started, I was a little bit all over the place. It's just one of the things that I found useful.
No, I normally write down the times like Paul does, to be fair,
Yeah.
but it's a nice little tip to know.
Yeah. And then, as you can see there, we'll then put on our Heikin candles. We'll then put on our famous Ninjacator. Looks a bit busy at the moment. Some other stuff down here. I'll come back to a later date when I just focus on what Paul's showing at the moment. Now I've got some other things called Bollinger Bands. It's one of the IM educators. We just wait for the Ninja up. Early entry up, looking for a 10 pips. Can we get 10 pips out of that, ladies and gentlemen? That's from there. That's the first question we have to ask ourselves. So that line. There you go, 25. So straight away we got it. How easy was that? 2 candles. Easy. Once it's coming back down, you can take the next one up. I mean, all you need is for 10 pips. How many does it go? 48. Excellent. So that's 2 trades, 2 wins. There's a third one. That one goes all the way, but this one goes all the way right to the target. Let me just measure this one. You can't make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the power of these pitchforks. 100 pips. So for those people checking at home, whether they're in our amazing Ninja group or whether in the Forex Trading Beginners, hope that was of value to you. Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing a live with Mr. Demo.
Yeah.
And just remind you, ladies and gentlemen, this is being recorded for the purpose of education. Now, now, stuff you thought it's quite easy, that wasn't it? Nice, easy setup.
Yes.
Trusting the Harmonic Scanner, trusting our pitchforks, going for those small 10 pips, locking them in, and either close the trade, or you can continue by letting it run. And I'm sure I'll let Paul cover the rest. On that one, you're welcome, mate. On that one, Demo, my good ladies here, I'm going to wish you good day, wherever you are around the world. And you, mate. Bye for now.
And you, mate. Take care.